everyone, here's Carrie from HDGENIUS. Today I will introduce you a new product, HD372. This extender can extend 196 feet with full HD 1080p signal with single cat cable, cat6, and it has IR passback function. Once you open the box, please make sure all the accessories are inside. HDMI sender and the receiver, IR emitter and the receiver, power supply switch, and the user manual. Now let's have a clear look of this sender. This sender uses the wall mountable design, so it is very easy for installation in various application environments. And it also uses aluminum housing, so it has the advantage of quick heat dispelling. And you can also see the label on the top. It can enable the users to distinguish the extender, the sender, and the receiver very easily. Now we can have a clear look of the interface, the power interface, HDMI in, in the receiver. That is HDMI out. This is the IR out. This is the reset button, and this is the cat6 interface. Now let's show you how does it work. We will give you live demonstration to show its high performance. This is the HDMI source. We are using the TV box, and this is the cat6 cable, 60 meters. And this is HDMI sender, and this is HDMI receiver. The connection is very easy, just the 3 steps. First, connect the HDMI source input, IR emitter, and plug in the cat6 cable into the sender. Second, connect the HDMI display output and plug in the IR receiver and plug in the cat6 cable. Now let's see the performance. Now you can see the HDMI signal is displayed on the HD TV. The image is very vivid and sharp, no jitter and trailing. What's more, you can control the source from the end of the display. For more information, please visit HDGENIUS. Thank you for your watching.